So shout out to Evan Blast, as always, for posting this. If you are a longtime viewer of the channel, you know I've covered his posts a lot. He's an absolute genius leaker, and he reveals a lot about technology that I love to learn about. Well, he did something that even I would never do. Removed the screen protector on his Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And listen, if you watch this channel, you know I am a glazer of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I will say forever and ever, it is the best foldable cell phone on this planet. There is nothing that compares to this 9 Pro Fold. It is my daily driver. I used to daily drive a Z Fold 6, and then once this came out, this has been my daily driver ever since. There isn't a scenario where I could see myself not daily driving the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's just perfect in every way. But obviously the 10 Pro Fold will improve on that. Very much similar looking based on what we understand. But still, nonetheless, it's not a video about that. What the video is about is he removed the screen protector and look what happened. Which I do feel very bad for him. He did finance his phone over 30 months. I'm hoping if he financed over 30 months, okay, with tracking without tacking on insurance. Oh! I'll be honest with you. Never, ever, ever buy a foldable cell phone without insurance. Whether you're buying it from Verizon and you have the protection plan. Although, keep this in mind, some Verizon and some different carriers, they don't always protect every single cell phone. At least my local store that I go to, I was able to get it on my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But back when I had the Z Fold 5, this was obviously a year and a half ago, they would not offer, they offered protection on it, but they did not offer protection on the inside display. They said if the outside display breaks, we will replace it, but they did not offer it on the inside display. They said if the outside display breaks, we will replace your unit. The inside display, no. So every carrier is different, but just keep that in mind. It's a little bit of tidbit to keep in mind when it comes to buying these cell phones. Not every single one will protect you above all else. Now, again, at the end of the day, you can make the argument, well, why don't you just, smash the outside display, and then you get a replacement? Yeah, you could do that too. But I don't know. The way the lady explained it to me, she was just like, well, we can't replace your unit if your inside display breaks. I'm like, okay, well, what about my outside display? She's like, if your front glass or back glass breaks, we can repair or send you a new unit. So I guess technically they could just take it, replace the outside display, then give you a new one. Or give you the same one back, but with a fixed display. Or send it, she did say also, you could send it to Samsung and see what they do. But nonetheless, though, they were very stingy with that. Now, they might have changed since Z Fold 6 has come out. They might have changed since, outside of those times. But this is why you get insurance. This is why you get insurance on these phones, because they're just too damn expensive not to. $1,800, and, again, little things happen, and it could destroy the inside display. These displays have gotten so much more durable over the years. They've gotten so much better in that category. But, again, you never know what life's going to hand you, right? You're just chilling there, sitting outside, maybe on the bench. I don't know. Someone runs past you, rock kicks up, smash, or hits your inside display. I know that's a crazy example. But anything could happen, okay? Anything could happen. And next thing you know, your $1,800 price tag is worth pretty much a paperweight at the end of the day. He does say it's only halfway paid off. He still owes over $1,000 on it, which, again, does suck. Now, I will say, to his point that he owes $1,000 on it, I know this is not going to be the positive thing here, but when it comes to being a paperweight, it's not really, in a way, a paperweight, because he could sell this on eBay. Broken Pixel 9 Pro Folds on eBay with being again, paperweight here with the inside display being broken, as long as the outside display works and the back display or the back glass is okay, these sell usually for around $400, $450 on eBay. So you could probably get at least almost half that money back by selling the device on eBay, even with a broken inside display. Because what someone's going to do is they're going to buy this from him, right? Probably try to get it cheaper, but buy from him, go and fix the inside display. Maybe they can get like a cheap, China display that they have like a source, whatever. Fix it and then resell it. So that's pretty much it. It is what it is at the end of the day. I feel very bad for him, to be honest. Because again, that's the worst thing about having foldable cell phones. It doesn't happen as often as people want it to happen, like they want to make it out to happen, but it does. It does happen, and when it happens, man, it's the worst. It's the worst. So, shout out to Evan Blast. I again feel very bad for his situation, and apparently his screen protector was peeling off already. It was already like bubbling, so he just finished it. Pulled the device off, and this happened. This is actually what used to happen with the Z Fold 2. When that phone first came out and people were like peeling off the screen protectors because they didn't realize that you weren't supposed to. Well, I mean, Samsung did put in there, but I mean, come on now. Like, people, every time you get a new device, the first thing you want to do is peel off the screen protector. Last thing I'll leave you off with, if you have seen the new Switch 2, which I'm probably sure you have, the Switch 2 is very interesting. So the Switch 2 has a screen protector on the actual display, similar to what we see from the foldable cell phones. Now, Nintendo says in the instructions, in the manual, not many people are going to read it, do not remove that screen protector. Now, they say do not remove it because it protects the screen from dust and debris and stuff like that. But again, I wonder if we're about to get ourselves into another situation where people are about to remove the screen protector and then their Nintendo Switch 2 screens start breaking. Maybe. Let me know below your thoughts and opinions. Peace out.